Why isn't my Pandas apply function referencing multiple columns working? I have some problems with the Pandas apply function when using multiple columns with the following data frame. And the following function. When I try to apply this function with I get the error message. I do not understand this message. I defined the name properly. I would highly appreciate any help on this issue. Update. Thanks for your help. I made indeed some syntax mistakes with the code. The index should be put. However, I still get the same issue using a more complex function such as
Seems you forgot the of your string. BTW, in my opinion, following way is more elegant.
If you just want to compute column A, column B, you don't need apply. Just do it directly.
Let's say we want to apply a function add 5 to columns A and B of data frame df.
All of the suggestions above work, but if you want your computations to be more efficient, you should take advantage of NumPy vector operations, as pointed out here. Example 1, looping with pandas.apply. The slowest run took 7.49 times longer than the fastest. This could mean that an intermediate result is being cached. 1000 loops, best of 3, 481 microseconds per loop. Example 2, vectorize using pandas.apply. The slowest run took 458.85 times longer than the fastest. This could mean that an intermediate result is being cached. 10,000 loops, best of 3, 70.9 microseconds per loop. Example 3, vectorize using NumPy arrays. The slowest run took 7.98 times longer than the fastest. This could mean that an intermediate result is being cached. 100,000 loops, best of 3, 6.39 microseconds per loop. So vectorizing using NumPy arrays improved the speed by almost 2 orders of magnitude.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.